Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have this look for you. It's a burgundy red lip makeup look. And I really love how the eyes turned out because it's so dark and sultry. So yeah, if you want to know how to recreate this look, then keep on watching. Okay, I finished my face makeup and also my brows. And now I'm going to use the Jaclyn Hill Volume II palette. And the colors look like this. And I'll be using this black color and these two colors. These two burgundy colors. So yes, let's start with the color Next. And I'm going to use a thin blending brush. And I'm putting it on my lid and also on my crease. And I'm creating a round shape. And we're also putting the same color under our eyes. Okay, now I'm going to take the color Crazy, and it's a darker burgundy color. And I'm placing it on the outer corner first. And then blend it inwards. Okay, now put that same color under your eyes, but only in this part. Okay, now wipe off the fallout. They look like freckles. Okay, now we're taking the black color called Temptress. And we're placing that on the outer corner. So we kind of created this C shape. Go from here to here. Okay, now I'm going to take a black eyeliner and line my waterline. Okay, now I'm taking the black color again, and we're going to put some black under the eyes. And then take the color Crazy again and just blend it out with the black color you put under your eye. So just put it in the center and just blend it outwards. Okay, now I'm going to put on some mascara. Okay, now I'm going to use Lilly Lashes in the style NYC. And I'm going to use some glue and let that dry up. Okay, while our lashes are drying, I'm going to use some blush. And I'm going for a pink blush. Okay, blend it out with your beauty blender. Now use your bronzer. Again, use your beauty blender to blend it out. Okay, now we're going to use a lip liner, and I'm using the color Cherry by MAC. Okay, now I'm taking the MAC lipstick in Russian Red. Okay, now correct it with your concealer. Okay, Okay, now taking the Too Faced Melted Matte Longwear lipstick, and it's the color Bend and Snap, and I'm using my fingers just to darken the red lip a little bit. Okay, now take your lashes and put them on. Okay, now I'm going to take my sponge and put some powder here. Okay, now just tap it in to your skin. Okay, so this is the final look. We got the red lips and rosy cheeks and the eyes. So yeah, if you like this look, then give it a thumbs up, and also comment down below, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next Monday again. Bye guys!